Okay, yeah, I'll go get her. I'll go get her. Hang on just a second, okay? Oh, hey, Rappelina. I guess you got pushed over here by Rappy. He just kind of nudged you and you kind of floated over. Hey, you okay?
Remember
A few moments earlier.
Rappelina, are you okay? What are you doing? Are you meditating or something? You might want to. She's like doing some, she's just kind of relaxing and kind of floating upside down, though, in the water.
Not relaxing.
No.
She's not even talking.
Squawk, maybe come and help you there. Squawk, to the rescue here. Hey, Rappelina, you okay? What are you doing? Why do you keep going underwater? I'm not. This is like reverse of when Rappy had to save Squeak. Now Squawk has to. Hey, Rappelina, are you okay? Well, all right, I'll just hang out here. I guess she likes that. I wonder how long she can hold her breath for. I wonder at what point I should be worried.
Now.
Maybe I should call Rappy and tell him what's going on.
Okay, tell him.
Well, he can't come home right now.
He can. His
No.
work is over.
No, he
He's
can't.
driving home.
No, he can't come home right now.
Yeah, he can.
No,
No, he's done that work.
he is.
He called me earlier.
He
He's
did.
home.
Oh, okay.
Call him.
Okay. Let me see. Do I have his number? Oh, I don't have his number.
It's 5 feet 6 inches.
5 feet 6 inches. Okay. Okay. Ring.
I'm here. What happened?
Oh, hey. Rappy. Hey, are you?
Just make him talk. I'll make him move.
Okay. Hey, listen, Rappelina has a little problem. I just met her, by the way. She's gone upside down. I don't know if she's like meditating when she's in the water upside down, and I think that's really concerning. Oh, yeah, she does that sometimes.
She's sleeping. She's hibernating.
She's hibernating. She's got a little self-contained oxygen apparatus on. You just can't see it because it's really small.
And it's inside of her.
And it's inside of her. I implanted that in her. It's like a special medical procedure that dinosaurs can do sometimes. And so she can hold her breath with that for a while. She's just sleeping. Don't worry about that. Everything's okay.
Make him say I'll go get her.
Who? Which one?
Rappelina.
Oh. Rappy? What's going to get her? Okay, yeah, I'll go get her. Hang on just a second, okay? Oh, hey, Rappelina. I guess you got pushed over here by Rappy. He just kind of nudged you and you kind of floated over. Hey, you okay?
Remember what Rappy says? She's hibernating. She doesn't like to be touched. When she's
Oh,
hibernating.
yeah, okay. So I should just leave her alone?
Yeah.
All right, why did he go get her then? I guess you should have just left her.
He gently pushed her over and she didn't feel it. But
Oh, gotcha,
But
okay.
when you nudge her with your horns, she does feel it.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'm going to go hang out with Fluffosaurus then because Rappelina doesn't want to be bothered. So I guess we just kind of leave her alone, huh?
But then one day something really weird happened.
But